Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of the Budget 4x4 Live. Today we're going to be installing some bash plate on this Pajero Sport. It's a 2021 QF Pajero Sport, but the bash plates that we're going to be fitting today is either for the QE and the QF model, so 2015 onwards Pajero Sport, it's going to fit it. So yeah, very excited to show you guys what it looks like factory and then what it looks like afterwards. So without further ado, let's get into it. Right guys, so we've now completed the bash plate, it's all off. Just quickly want to show you what it looks like. So the front plate is a very thin metal one, it's not very strong at all, so any slight hit on that plate and it's definitely going to dent up. And there's a lot of critical components under here as well, so as you can see that's probably your air conditioner cooler right there. So yeah, you're definitely going to damage that if you do land on a rock or some sort. The other one is plastic, so this one over here, that's all plastic, so same thing, any slight hit and that's gonna bend up as well, causing damage to your underbody. So we're now going to fit up the new plate, so that's the transmission plate, some plate and the front plate, which is all stainless steel. So yeah, that might be a bit better support for those going off-road. Anyway, let's fit it up and see what it looks like. Just use the jack on one side and just lay it on the other side, and then you just push it up that side first, put in the 2 bolts, let the plate rest on the jack over here, and then you can squeeze over the side and then just put that bolt in and that bolt, and the first plate is up. This metal plate, what you can do is put the bolts in first. So as you can see, that's one in there and one in there, because it can just slide in. So just do that, get the jack under it, and then you can do up the other 2 bolts over here and there. Right guys, so about to put the last plate on. You just need to remove this little flap here. So it's just 2 bolts, one in there and one on the other side, and it just slips off. Right guys, so we just fitted up this 3-piece bash plates. Now as you can see, there's a whole lot more protection to your car. You know, knowing that it's not plastic, it's steel, you can definitely be assured when you go off-road and when you hit a rock by accident, you're not going to damage anything underneath your car. So that is pretty cool. So it's now available on my website as well, so budget4x4live.com. You guys can go and check out that over there. But yeah, 3 or 4 grade stainless steel, it's going to last a long time and it's not going to corrode like mild steel does. Later down the track I will release aluminium ones though, that will be a bit thicker, about a 4mm, whereas these ones are 3mm. But yeah, if you're a very serious off-roader with the Pajero Sport, then this is the bash plates to get. Thank you so much for watching guys, make sure to like, subscribe to the channel, and also thank you so much JP for lending me your Pajero Sport. I'm very stoked and hopefully your customers like it as well. Thanks guys, see you next time, peace out.